Let's again attempt the problem we have on the board. So to solve this, I'm going to multiply the first term by the last term. And if I do that, I'm going to have 72x squared, which can be written as 12x multiplied by 6x. So now plugging this back into the equation, I'm going to have 8x squared plus 12x plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Now to factorize, I'm going to have 4x into 2x plus 3 plus 3 into 2x plus 3 equals 0. So now we have this in this form. I'm going to have 4x plus 3 into 2x plus 3 equals 0. So what this implies is 4x plus 3 equals 0, or 2x plus 3 equals 0, which means 4x is equals 3, and x is equals, this negative is equals negative 3 over 4, or 2x is equals negative 3 and x is equals negative 3 over 2. So the roots of our equation are x equals negative 3 over 4 or x equals negative 3 over 2. Thank you guys. We'll meet in the next video.